How to remove bank card from Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove your bank card from Cash App, so make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you want to remove your bank card from Cash App, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch Cash App here. Once you launch Cash App, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right, if you've added any type of card, scroll down, look for the option called Linked Banks. When you go to Linked Banks, you'll be able to see all of the cards that you've added. When you tap on the card, you'll be able to find the option to remove that specific card. If you've not yet added though, you can tap on link option to add a new card as well. But to give you a basic idea, this is how you can remove your bank card from Cash App. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.